Hare Krishna. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to stitch a dress for Tulsi Maharani. We are going to use a raw silk fabric. You can use any kind of fabric for your Tulsi Maharani. The length of this fabric is going to be twice the circumference of Tulsi Maharani's spot. Our Tulsi Maharani spot circumference is 35 inches. We have two pieces of cloth. Each one of it is 35 inches. So when we stitch both of them, the total length of the cloth is going to be 70 inches. That is twice the circumference of our Tulsi Maharani spot. The height of our Tulsi Maharani spot is 13 inches, but we have cut 15 inches. You will know why in the later part of this video. Now we are going to join the two pieces of cloth as I have said before to make it a 70 inches length. Now in our sewing machine, we're going to choose zigzag mode because the sides of the cloth are so uneven. So to make it even, we're going to sew it like this. Now we're going to stitch a lace as a border for this cloth. Now you will know why we have cut 15 inches instead of 13. We are going to fold this cloth by 2 inches in a way that the total height should be 13 inches. It's because later we're going to insert a thread within this 2 inches. Now we have to stitch at the edge of this 2 inches in a way that we have some gap within to insert the thread. Now we are going to insert a thread in this hole by using a safety pin. Hari Bol, Tulsi Maharani's dress is ready. Tulsi Maharani is so merciful that she will accept any kind of service offered to her with love. Thank you for watching. All glories to Vrindarani. Jai Tulsi Maharani. Hare Krishna.